Without the Empadronamiento, Spain's residence registration, there's no health card, no school enrollment for your kids, and no proof of stay for a future legalization. It's the foundation of almost everything. Today, which documents to prepare, how to book at your town hall, and what happens at the appointment, step by step, including the typical mistakes that cost people weeks. First and most important, registering is a duty and a right of everyone living in Spain, regardless of your migration status. The official technical instructions are clear: it is not the town hall's job to check whether your residence is legal. And mind the flip side, the padrón does not legalize your status and is no proof of legal residence. It's a register of residence, nothing more, nothing less. Step 1, the documents. You need two things. First, your ID, passport, TIE or NIE. Second, something proving where you live. If you have a rental contract, bring the contract. If you live in someone else's home, you do not need a contract. A written authorization from an adult already registered at that address is enough, together with a copy of their ID and their title to the dwelling. And if you have no fixed home, you can and must still register, through social services. This applies across Spain, the exact details vary by municipality. Step 2, the appointment, in Spanish cita, at your town hall. In the city of Valencia, for example, there are two routes: by phone, 010, or online, on the town hall's official site c.valencia.es. Here it is on screen, the button Iniciar Trámite, start the procedure. In Madrid, Barcelona, or your town the site will differ, but the logic is the same: search Empadronamiento Cita Previa plus your municipality's name, always on the town hall's official website. Slots can take a while, so book as early as you can. Step 3, appointment day. You bring your documents, fill in the registration form, called the hoja padronal, and submit it. They check the papers and, in Valencia's practice, the volante, your proof of registration, is printed on the spot, at the same appointment. For procedures that demand a document with full legal force, you order the certificado, the official certificate. And 3 traps from real practice. This is community experience in Valencia, not official rules. Your municipality may differ. Trap 1, the address document must carry the referencia catastral, the number identifying the dwelling in the cadastre. It's usually in the contract. If it isn't, bring a document that has it, the receipt of the municipal property tax, called IBI, or a short extract from the property registry called Nota Simple. Trap 2, if you rent a room, the contract must state how many rooms the dwelling has and which one is yours. And Trap 3, renters were also asked for the latest rent receipt. Bring it all, and save yourself a second trip. Everything you've just heard comes from the official technical instructions on managing the padrón, published in Spain's official state gazette, the site bo.es, here on screen, and from the article on our website, where this rule is verified and kept up to date. The link is in the description. The Empadronamiento is your first key. The next one is usually the health card. That video is already on the way. The written guide, always up to date and with the official BOE source, is linked in the description. And if you get stuck, write in the comments or in our Telegram bot. We'll walk you through for free, step by step. This is informational guidance, not legal advice. Always verify your case at your town hall.